English, Tagalog, Cebuano. Translation. English. Good evening. Tagalog. Magandang gabi. Cebuano. Maayong gabi. Now, here are some sample phrases. English. Good evening, Mom, Dad. Tagalog. Magandang gabi po, Nanay, Tatay. Cebuano. Maayong gabi, Nay, Tay. Now, here are the explanations. Nanay is a term Filipinos use to show respect to an older figure woman, a mom. Tatay is a term Filipinos use to show respect to an older figure, man, a dad. Papa and Mama are the most common titles we call our biological mom and dad.